guys, and welcome to Infamous 5. My friend Shroy here wants to do one topic for the longest.
Desperately.
And we sit down
Month.
and record. We have like a 10 minutes argument over whether to do this topic or not. And today we will be talking
Finally.
about attitude in general.
Finally.
And then Shroy will have his stories to share with
Yes.
you. So yes, attitude forms a very important part of your personality, and it is an attitude can either
No,
make
why?
you or
Or break you.
And
But
I guess
why there is attitude?
and that line.
You have the most to say.
Now
He's
what you
right.
are saying is attitude in a negative way.
Positive attitude.
And
There's
all
also
the
a
way.
positive attitude.
Yeah,
So
but
don't talk about attitude.
why show attitude for no reason?
Negative attitude.
No, see again, you're talking about the negative attitude.
Okay, negative attitude भी ले लो, लेकिन why?
वही
Why
लो।
is it a negative attitude?
वो
Why you want to show
status की
attitude
वजह से होता है
for
कभी-कभार।
statuses, for celebrities, for people, all kinds of people. Why?
You mean
attitude is
celebrities
there?
in specific?
You know how you
Yes,
treat
and
people.
I've been through it. I don't want to take names, but I've been through it.
ले लो, I think नाम लेने से
नहीं,
क्या
नहीं,
जाएगा?
नहीं, I don't want to take names. वो show वो बंद नहीं होता है. But people, there's no point of showing attitude. We're all human beings, you know. You should be treated as same.
Yeah.
Even though if you bring a celebrity, you know, you worked hard for it. We all work hard for our own, like,
Living.
thing.
Status quo.
Status, yeah. So, I mean, why show attitude for no reason? Like, if you're famous and people get autographs from you, take interviews from you. So why would you say that, यार मुझे ये नहीं करना, वो नहीं करना है, आपसे नहीं करती हूँ, I know better. If she's not even like in the camera thing,
She. Wait, she?
she or he in the camera, like the cameraman was there, but she was like, no, this is not a good view to do it.
सिर्फ
And
नाम बाकी
everything.
रह गया.
A good view to do it there, but she and he
नहीं अच्छा एक पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस इधर भी था जो अभी वो हुआ है। पहले तो मैं ये ऐड करूंगी कि एटीट्यूड कभी कभार ये होता है, एक तो ये नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड होता है और एक एटीट्यूड होता है जो काम करने के दौरान में होता है। कभी कभार किसी कोई पर्सनल अपनी चीज़ से गुजर रहा होता है और उसके चेहरे पे इस तरह की तासुरात होते हैं कि दूसरा गलत ले लेते हैं उसको। एक तो ये भी होता है एटीट्यूड का फिर या
You know the best
they don't
way.
mean what they're saying, but
No, I'll
हो
tell you
जाता
the
है.
Yeah.
best way of actually finding out how a person is to look at their attitude.
The
and
way
how
they treat
talk
their
to-
servants.
Yeah, how they treat their servants.
हाँ
That tells a lot
And the
about,
ladies in the family.
Yeah, that tells you a lot about that person and how his upbringing. And
नहीं
the
लेकिन
environment
हमारे
and
ना
everything is
पूरे
coming from.
नेशन में ये मसला है एटीट्यूड का कि जो स्टेटस में थोड़े से हाई होंगे ना, चाहे वो सेलिब्रिटीज नहीं, वो कोई भी होगा,
कोई भी
रिच
हो।
बंदा होगा ना, तो उसके साथ मसले होंगे, वो चाहे
So you
बच्चे हों या
will-
बड़े
हाँ,
हों।
And
they
No,
treat
no,
their
no.
always
Service
look
really
down on
bad.
others,
No,
but I've also come across
I
a
know
lot
a lot
of
of
people.
people.
Yeah, I've come
Not
across a lot of
everybody.
people.
Some people.
Yeah.
With good
कुछ
status,
ऐसे
they're
लोग
rich,
हैं.
they're millionaires.
Yeah.
I've seen people,
Yeah.
but you know they won't. उसका का खाना भी है ना, जो सर्वेंट्स का होगा वो सेम खाना होगा, जो बर्तन सर्वेंट्स के लिए होगा वो सेम बर्तन होगा.
तो यहाँ फिर वही
For
हो जाए ना,
millionaires I'm talking
positive
about.
attitude,
Even my
negative
house,
attitude,
even
there's
my
both.
house, even my house. My dad he's really strict. बट ये मामला आता है कि सर्वेंट्स की रिस्पेक्ट ही टेल्स मी दैट उनकी रिस्पेक्ट करो, उनको आंटी बुलाओ, उनको ये नहीं बुलाओ कि मासी या ये बुलाओ,
सर्वेंट्स को
आंटी
मुझसे
बुलाओ.
ज्यादा रिस्पेक्ट मिलती है.
That's so right because
Yeah,
every time
that's
my
true,
mom calls
man.
me, where are you? Every
Yeah.
time I have to hang out, where are
हाँ.
you? Has the driver had food? Was it the
Yeah.
husband?
और हमारे बारे
What
में
is it?
पूछेंगे कि
और
हमने
फिर गलती से
खाया,
बोल
बस
दिया ना कि
सर्वेंट्स ने
नहीं, उसने
खाया.
खाया नहीं है या उसने
तुम्हें
नमाज
उसकी
पढ़ी
डांट
नहीं है,
शुरू.
उसकी और फिर जो डांट शुरू
डांट
की, I'm
शुरू.
like, did you even bother asking me कि
What
मैंने
about
कुछ
me?
खाया है, कुछ किया है? No, she's like, no.
हाँ.
No, but I think they give you the
Yeah.
responsibility to make sure he does eat or he does praise namaz. If you're taking the driver, you
No,
you
कोई भी हो,
have-
वो तो driver
It's
है,
not,
जो भी
it's not the
है.
responsibility of you having the car. It's responsibility कि वो person का
हाँ.
तुम take care कर रही
I
हो.
agree.
I mean,
लेकिन
you're
कभी
paying
कभार
him,
जब वो
you're paying
गलत
him.
होते हैं ना तो वो भी गलत
Yeah,
होते हैं
because you
क्योंकि
have
वो
a
लोग
different
भी
case.
इंसान
You have a
ऐसे ही है.
different case.
Yeah. Except
Yeah,
for-
तुम्हारे जैसे लोग कम होते हैं.
तुम्हारे ड्राइवर जैसे बहुत कम लोग होते हैं।
मेरे
नहीं, but
मेरे
it's
ड्राइवर
very true with me.
तौबा,
I
तौबा.
don't know what's the
Yeah,
problem.
you know how many issues
लेकिन
my
हाँ,
driver
चलिए,
But
has.
back to the point.
He has a bad
back to
attitude
the
with me.
attitude
Coming
run.
Listen, let's not go there.
Coming
But
back
we're talking
to the
about the attitude.
celebrity thing, मैंने ये नोटिस किया है कि हमारे अपार्ट फ्रॉम द नॉर्मल पीपल हु आर नॉट ऑन टेलीविजन, जो टेलीविजन पे है, मॉडल्स हैं, जो भी हैं, उनका वाकई में कुछ ज़्यादा दिमाग ख़राब होता है कंपेयर टू जो बाहर के एक्ट्रेसेस. और उनको जब हमने एंजेलिना जोली, ब्रैड पिट को देखा था, दे वर राइडिंग इन अ रिक्शा और समथिंग बिकॉज इट वाज अम्यूजिंग फॉर देम, शेकिंग हैंड्स विद पीपल. यहाँ पे आपसे हाथ भी नहीं मिलाएंगे, वो तो उनके दिमाग आसमानों पे होते हैं, नहीं
I
देखते,
agree.
जनरली नहीं
Same
देखते.
thing. In America, there used to be concerts of these celebrities. पर उसके बाद used to go to these hotels. उधर होटल पे सब जमा होते थे to just have a picture with them, right?
Yeah.
तो मैं भी we used to go to we had a picture with this Arjun Rampal and he was so good to us that he came to us. हम लोग वहाँ खड़े थे, he came to us, yes picture, हाँ ले लो picture, सब respect दिया, but when
I
these
think once
Kareena
you're
Kapoor
famous-
people came, they were like, no we don't want pictures like that, and they just ran off.
That's what I'm
I mean,
saying.
come
there's
on,
also
yaar.
people
Okay,
who
then I have a
really-
I
question.
know you're famous, but-
I can talk.
Fine.
And I forgot what I had to say.
Okay, so then I'm
Correct.
gonna
No,
say.
yeah.
Back to
But other
smile.
people have bad attitude because like one person feels that they know or they have achieved a bit too much and the other like वो उनको लगता है कि उनके जो सामने जो बंदा आके खड़ा हुआ है
वो जाहिर है
he
वो
doesn't know
जाहिल है,
anything,
he's not
and
up
that's
to
where
the mark of to
yeah,
talk to
and
him.
that's where the attitude comes in and that's exactly how you can tell. Again,
But यहाँ
again, no,
एक
but you know what Hiba
person.
said? I want to relate the point that कि उनका दिमाग नहीं चल रहा था. Even the rich people, they just उन लोग का दिमाग इतना वो हो जाता है कि they have so much money, they have so much
ऐसा.
status, जो लोग अपने नीचे वाले लोग को इतना तवज्जो नहीं देते. It's the same thing with the positive attitude that उनके दिमाग में इतना tension, they're depressed and everything. They don't want to get mad at a person to show attitude, but they do it.
Yeah.
But they don't mean it.
I have something to say. Okay, so you know how you said she and you said Kareena Kapoor gave you attitude, but Arjun Rampal didn't. So do you think that it's just girls who have attitude and not guys?
No,
No, I see a lot of
यहाँ
girls
सिर्फ
who have-
girl bashing हुई
I'm
है.
talking about like specifically celebrities. You know, there are different
Have you
types
ever
of
had an
celebrities.
experience with a guy where he's given you attitude and
Yeah.
you wanted
Yeah.
to slap him across
Yeah.
the face?
देखो,
okay not the second part but yeah before that yeah.
Nobody's ever
We had a
been
mutual
so
experience
angry.
also.
What?
Right, remember we had to call this one particular person.
I don't know
उसके
about
बाद I
this.
had to go interview this person, this female person. How this was female to female. You were male to female. This was female to
I
female.
had a female
I
to
stood
male.
for 45 minutes. She didn't bother to ask to
Cat
sit
fight
down.
नहीं किया।
बस कोने में खड़े रहे. That's it. तो ये हमारे यहाँ का attitude बहुत खराब है.
So I think yeah, to wrap it all
especially.
up.
I hope you're happy, Shiroi, by the way. I really hope you're
we
happy.
hope you
I'm
had a good
happy
day. I
and-
hope you have a good weekend.
Don't you think it's a good topic to discuss? You
होता
people
है
can
attitude
change from
सबका
this
होता है,
video.
कुछ का अच्छा
I
होता है,
think
कुछ नहीं
people
होता है.
can
Okay,
change
can I
from
wrap
this
it
video.
up?
It's in my.
It's in his heart.
I think this is one episode where Shroy actually
उसके
spoke.
दिल को लगा
I
है.
spoke to all, man.
Spoke, alright? Okay, just to wrap it
Say
up,
your
I guess
boss.
the attitude is one thing that needs to be fixed
Okay,
for all.
enough.
And okay, bye.
Bye.